this morning we had our first annual 5K run, walk, and roll.
This has been a wonderful first year for us. We've had 3 amazing fundraisers. Today is our 3rd of the year. We're looking forward to next year. The foundation is going to grow. We're going to help more people next year. This year we've helped probably 20 or more people. Next year we hope to help 50 to 70 people. We just want to continue growing.
They've recently done some modifications on my house. They have widened my bathroom door, and they've given me a ramp so I can access my front door. It means the world, being able to open my doors and being able to be so much more independent and not having to rely on my parents and family to do things I should be able to do myself.
Well, it's an opportunity for those like myself to keep working on strength, endurance, because there's a lot of places out there that are not accessible, and it's just a place where you feel comfortable going, and not only do you get that personal workout and self-esteem, but you've got other people in the same situation to work out alongside of you to motivate you.
The first thing we have up is Firemen for a Day.
So, right here, this young man, oh, it's 300, I'm sorry, 300 out of it, he just likes to watch a fat boy work. We got 300 now, 4, 300 out of it, 400 out of it, I got 3, would you bid 4? I think you say 4 if you say 350, and you know why we're here.
There are so many causes out there, and all of them worthy, but this one to me personally means if someday we can get people out of wheelchairs, you know, so people don't have to live their lives wondering what it would be like to just stand on their front porch, you know, or do a run like this on your feet, you know, so that runs like this are for entertainment and not for trying to find a cure for something that destroys so many bodies and so many lives.